It's dark. It feels like it's 5:30 in the afternoon, but really it's only 9:30 in the morning. Still a long day to go, and we still got a lot of things to do. But it's a long weekend here in the United States. Tomorrow is Monday, Martin Luther King. So I'm off from work, which gives me extra time to just rejuvenate, relax, to chill, yeah? But like I said, today it's quite gloomy. And it actually rained earlier, so we're just gonna be staying the entire day inside the house and just relax, I guess. But that's what we really do on a weekend, just catch up on sleep, catch up on other things to do, and without having to really, you know, worry about work, without having to worry about time. Especially me, I'm so time conscious. But on weekend, I keep everything sacred on a Sunday or on a weekend in general. I just want to spend as much time with my husband and Winkles. So as you've seen in my previous video, I say that on a weekly basis I rotate my vegan handbags, okay, just to give them equal exposure and equal treatment, because we don't want them to get jealous with each other. I know that sounds crazy, but you know what I mean. I'm just rotating my vegan handbags, and the lucky handbag for this coming week is this hobo bag from Labante London. Now I already made a full collection of my Labante London handbags, and also I've mentioned in one of my previous videos that this brand is probably one of those that is a hit and miss, okay? In fact, I included Labante London on brands that I'm not going to be buying anymore just because of the hit and miss situation. Now this happened to be a hit. Out of all the vegan handbags that I own from Labante London, I think this is the only one that I had no issues with. I mean, there are some threads that I had to sneak out, but overall I had no issues with this. I like the classic style. I'm not into hobo styles, but this one I purposely got it because it's slouchy, it's big, and it's actually a great travel bag. So overall I am happy with this purchase, and it's going on 2 years now. I have no issues with tarnishing, and yeah, this one is quite heavy because I bring a lot. I'm bringing a lot, you guys, I'm not kidding. My makeup bag alone, even though I rarely wear makeup at work, probably contributes to 80% of the weight of this bag. But yes, one thing that I like about is the pockets outside. Okay, I also have a full review of this, and I know that occasionally Labante London has a sale on their website, whether UK or in the US. Part of my plan this year is just to update you of all the vegan handbags that I have amassed through the years. This year is the year of no buy or low buy for me. I couldn't completely say no buy because, you know, if there's something that I really like, then I will buy it. But other than that, I would really significantly and drastically cut down on my vegan handbag purchases, because I think I already bought, you know, the styles and the brands that I've been eyeing for. I have a playlist of all the handbags that I have reviewed on this channel. I think we're more than 50. That's a lot of handbags, you guys. So I hope that it will help you in your decision purchase. So this is our lounge wear. Okay, it feels like pajamas, but no, a little more upgraded than your jammies. Winkles, what are you doing? Can you tell me what you're doing? You lazy girl? Huh? Winkles, I know you're enjoying the bed weather too. Hmm? It's raining. So these are leftovers from last night. I made one pot pasta. So you just put all the ingredients in a pot with the pasta and let the pasta absorbs all the flavor and the sauce. You want me to heat up your food?
I'm not great,
Daddy, what's going on with me here? I'm trapped again. I don't like when my mommy traps me. It's so hot, but she feels cold. What's wrong with mommy? Yeah. Well, it's not cold anymore actually. Especially I'm against your body. Body to body, skin to skin, fur to fur. Yeah, mommy? Sitting like a human being. We are going to make nice cream. Frozen banana. Okay. Ice cream. And just put it in the fridge. Two things, you can eat it right away or put it in the fridge and let it cool for about 10 minutes or so. But Winkles likes to eat it now. Hold on, sit. Huh? This is her dessert. It's not a lot. Can I see? Wow. It's her dessert. That's it, baby. It's gone. No more. Back. So it's Monday today, it's a holiday, and what time is it? 1:30 p.m. I just finished doing bills and a lot of personal stuff. So it's very windy outside. Yesterday it rained, now it's really windy, which I enjoyed. I'm not complaining that. It's a continuation of our bad weather yesterday, but contrary to my sleepiness in extremely, I wouldn't say sluggish, but I felt really tired yesterday. Now I'm a little bit more recharged. Mainly because tomorrow I gotta go back to work again. So partly that's the reason. I'm thinking I am making corn soup tonight just because I'm already like what, on my third day eating that leftover pasta. Oh my goodness, and we still got a lot more. That's the thing with me, when I cook big batch, but sometimes it extends to third and fourth day and you just don't want to eat that no more. Waste not, want not, and I don't want to throw that, so I will just end up freezing it, so by the next time I feel like eating pasta, we have something right away. So I'll show you how the wind is. You see that? Looky. It's really strong. I love that. And you guys, I get cold easily. Yes. Alexa, what's the weather today?
Flash flood watch in effect until Tuesday, January 19th, 6 p.m. The current weather is 73 degrees Fahrenheit and partly sunny skies. Today, you can look for clouds and showers, with a high of 73 degrees and a low of 68 degrees.
Yeah, I don't think it's 73 because I feel extra cold today. But nonetheless, 73 or 68, I know you guys are probably laughing at me at the mainland because your 68 is already cold to me. And this is already the outfit for a 60-degree weather here in Hawaii. Funny. Wow. Can I? It seems fun. The wind. Huh? So I changed my mind, not making corn soup anymore, but I mixed it with my potato casserole. Let me show you. The ingredients are pretty basic. I just have potatoes. Why am I showing my face? Gotta show the food, right? So, what's in here? Diced potatoes, carrots. I got asparagus and corn. Mixed everything. And then there's onion also. There's soy sauce, tomato paste, and then I added cumin, paprika, spike, and what else is in there? Just a dash of Himalayan pink salt and pepper. And you can eat it on its own, or you can also mix with rice. So basically that's it. And I think it is already cooked. It's not even 4 o'clock, but I cooked early so we can eat early and then just relax for the rest of the day.